Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. New season, new self-care routine. So this is the new fall edition. So it looks like I'm eating candy, but this is actually vitamins. I like to eat my vitamins in like a gummy form and wash them down with some delicious green juice. I'm not a breakfast person, so green juice is typically what I go for in the mornings. Now, this video is in collaboration with Bliss of Greece. This is their ancient Greek remedies line of body care items. You guys see they have like moisturizers and a pumice stone and soap, a little bit of everything. 100% pure, 100% natural products. That's what drew me to this particular line. So first, I'm going to be using the ancient Greek remedy soap, as you see, 100% pure. I like that you can use this on your face and your body. I like this soap because I have sensitive skin. I like how this soap is really gentle, but it leaves my face feeling clean, not tight, not stripped of all of its moisture, just clean and refreshed. I'm just gently patting my face dry. As you see, I'm not doing any pulling, any tugging. Pulling and tugging on your face could lead to premature aging and wrinkles, so we don't want that. So I'm just gently patting my face dry. So this product right here is definitely one of my favorite. This is the Bliss of Greece Ancient Greek Remedy 100% Pure Nature's Moisturizer. You can use it on your face, your skin, your hair, your nails. It is an amazing multi-use product. As you guys see, I'm just gently using upward motions on my face. Again, this helps to prevent signs of aging, so I'm going upward. And also when it comes to my eye area, no pulling, no tugging, so I'm using my ring finger, which applies the least amount of pressure to just gently dab the product under my under eye area. I also like using this moisturizer to moisturize my scalp. I know that we've moved from sandal season to boot season, but that's no reason for your feet to be rough. So I'm using this pumice stone. I'm just soaking my feet for about 10-15 minutes in some warm water. There's a little bit of liquid soap in there as well. You guys see I'm paying special attention to the rougher areas like the heels of my feet, and this had my feet feeling baby soft, especially after I used this. Now this is the ancient Greek remedy. This is a 100% intensive repair. This is great for cracked feet, rough feet, dry feet, and dry heels. It has so many different oils in it that's great for your skin. It's got sweet almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, lavender oil, you name it. It smells so good. There's vitamin E in it. It is a decadent product for pampering your feet. All right, so now that I'm out of the bath, it's time to moisturize the rest of my body. I'm using the ancient Greek remedy buttercream. This is super duper decadent and lush. Bliss of Greece products are natural and organic. Their skincare items are great for shrinking pores, clearing acne, preventing acne, even reducing wrinkles and the appearance of acne scarring. An awesome line of products. You guys definitely should check them out. All right, so now that my body is all clean and moisturized and hydrated and all that good stuff, it's time for me to work it out. So I'm going to be doing some heated yoga. As you guys can tell from this particular self-care routine, I'm really trying to work on my body from the inside out with the vitamins and the green juice and the fitness. I'm all about being good to my body. Don't get me wrong, self-care is amazing when you're doing decadent spa treatments and baths and stuff like that, but I'm really about healthy habits and doing things, like I said, that are good from the inside out. So that's what I'm doing, getting my little fitness on. Hubby decided to join me for a little walk, so that's what we did. It's always good to get in some extra cardio and breathe some good fresh air. Vitamin D from the sun is so healing. It is so therapeutic to just get out there and just get that good fresh air. So after that, he decided to treat me to some Thai food, some good takeout. Oh, I love Thai food, especially this dish right here. I know white rice isn't the healthiest, but I haven't had it all week. I've been craving it. This is my green coconut curry shrimp. One of my favorite Thai dishes. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. Huge thank you to Bliss of Greece for sending me over their ancient Greek remedies line. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what is your fall winter routine for your self-care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.